Hello folks, it's the Wolf Hunter. Well, here's my Hunter's Lodge K98, all cleaned up and reassembled. She come out pretty good. The bluing is really nice. Very pleased with what I got. Very pleased. Bluing is really nice. The bore is wonderful. It's very nice. Good crisp bore. You know, I got a reproduction hood and cleaning rod along with the sling. Spin it around here. And she is nice for her age. I'm going to get the short rail side mount and turn this one into sniper like I said, but I'll have to save my pennies and save my dimes because that's a very pricey item. But I am very pleased with my Hunter's Lodge purchase. I can't wait to take it to the range. The rifling, like I said, is very nice, very crisp. Well, that's about it, folks. Until next time, as always, God bless America. Stay safe and watch your six. And I stand with the people of Ukraine.